think we should be focusing on really working together across the whole infrastructure kind of world to, and I know these are terms that are used a little bit too much nowadays, but building back better, building out greener. We face a real challenge if we're going to deliver on the promises around net zero. Then infrastructure, you know, we are responsible for something like 60–65% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. You know, infrastructure is part of the solution if we're going to get towards a net zero world. And so I think what I'd like to see in the next year is the whole industry coming together to move the rhetoric, if you like, of net zero into some real actions. I feel like we saw a bit of a start of that at COP26. I really felt I was part of Davos in May, and I really felt that again, the discussions that were taking place there moved forward beyond just talking about carbon and also talking about circularity and resilience and so on. We've got COP27 around the corner. We've got this conference. So I think the next year, I think we need to build on that rhetoric around net zero, and as an industry, start really making some decisions together to support this move towards a net zero world. I think at the same time, we've got to remember that we also have challenges in terms of outcomes for society from the infrastructure that we create. So I guess that's the building back better. So I do think that we need to remember that we're not just building back greener, we're also doing it in a fair way, in a just way, and making sure that all of those investments that we're putting into infrastructure not only create the greener solutions that we want, but also are great for the societies that we serve.